Buy a new laptop or just install a new Windows software on your PC rich, that you will not get this 5 option here on your desktop, this 5 icon on your desktop. So I am going to show you how to enable it, just a easy step, and many people don't know how to enable it. So just see the full video, and here just right click on your desktop and choose the last option, which name is personalize. Then choose the fourth option, which named theme, and here on the right side go on the desktop icon setting option. Here all the 5 icon enable option is showing here, and I'm just going to show you how to, if I disable it, you will see the icon is not showing on my desktop. So here apply, just see all icon is disappeared from my desktop, and now you will get this type of things in your new laptop or PC. So I'm showing here how to enable it. So just go that option how I showed shown before, and desktop icon setting, just click enable all the 5 option, apply, okay. Then you will get all the 5 option on your desktop. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.